So because the software development itself is complex things, even we teach so many things, still not many people understand everything. So we are making this the permanent. Every Sunday, we'll be pushing the code, all our code. Every weekly code will go push and we'll be giving the show and tell. So that it becomes the habit. You know what is the code, what is the code, what is the functionality. All this talking, like we'll be doing every Sunday. Of course, it's recorded, it will be shared. And this is your lifetime and the next 9 months. Only we'll be deploying the very urgent code under the hood when something is broken. But we have so many code base. We have an IT interview, we have automation.ts for you, we have Agile ALM, we have a TS for you, we have a mobile, we have like a lot of code base. But we will be keeping every Sunday, maximum 45 minutes or maximum 1 hour. So you guys can see what functionality is added, what is going to live. And then as the time goes, you guys get more matured, then it will be 8 hours at the workshop. We'll be showing you guys how we actually deploy our code. Deploy means how we build our own CI/CD pipeline. Okay, so that will be like this, but it's not the time. It will be maybe May, maybe June. I don't know. Your mentor will give me the heads up. The CloudHouse mentor will give me the heads up. Okay, ready to go. So that's the way. In the workshop, things will be much easier for you because I will be exposing everything through our show and tell. Okay, so those show and tell will be breaking every single dot. Every single dot. What do you do? And that's the how any environment you go, because now you see this, we have so many applications we manage. So that's the plan. So eventually it will be 45 minutes, but it will be kind of the full show and tell because you do not know, you are not knowing what is underlying technology. We're keeping this for 1 day. Okay, how many tools involved, why we use these tools. So it is more about for the cloud ops, but we want to expose to the quality assurance as well. At this moment, it is not the right time to show them because they are not there. They are very novice as of now. But probably May, it will be a good time for them because that time there will be different branches. They will be trying to fly. So they will learn that time. So that's the announcement.